Let us see some communication terminologies. Communication means the movement of information, encoded information from one point to another point by means of electronic transmission. Okay, so it is just the exchange of data between two devices. It may be a computer to mobile or whatever, two devices through some transmission medium. You must have some medium through which the data should transfer, which the medium can be two ways, either wired or wireless. Okay, and at both the source and the destination, the data is in digital form. But when the data is transmitted during the transmission, it may be in digital form or it may be in analog form. You may ask what analog form is. Analog signals are the one like radio signals. Okay, not in the form of zeros and ones. It is a kind of radio signal. And what are the components of communication? So we have already seen communication is transfer of data from one device to another device through electronic transmission media. And the components, when some communication happens, what are the things that are involved in it? So we have a sender who sends the message, a receiver who receives the message, and the actual message which is being transferred, and the media through which the communication happens, and the protocol, that is the rules through which the network, the data is transferred through the network. So there are 5 important components in data communication. So the first one is the sender. The sender is the device. The transmitter is the device that sends the message. It may be a computer, a telephone, whatever it is. And receiver. Receiver is the device that receives the message. So it may be again a computer, a workstation, a headset, or a TV, or whatever. And what are the different transmission media? As I said again, it may be wired or wireless. Wired network also called as guided. Wireless is unguided. So the transmission medium is the path through which the message travels from one place to another place, the sender to receiver, right? So it may be, when we say guided, that is wired, it may be different kinds of wires like twisted pair, coaxial, and fiber optic. And when we say unguided, that is wireless, we have laser waves, radio waves, microwaves, and different other things. So we will have in detail, we will discuss about all this. Next important component is the message which is being sent. Is that it is the data that is being communicated. What kind of data may be? It may be a text, it may be numbers, pictures, sound, that is audio or video or combination of all this. And what is a protocol? A protocol is the set of rules that governs the data communication. So it is an agreement between the sender and the receiver computer. With a protocol, the communication actually happens. So if there is no protocol, the two devices cannot communicate at all. So this is all about data communication. It can be seen in the picture here. The sender sends the message through a medium to the receiver using a protocol. I hope you understood the communication terminologies. Thank you.